In this video we are going to create an expert advisor for this colorful oscillator here. This is the Bill Williams Market Facilitation Index, so let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that uses the Bill Williams Market Facilitation Index, BWMFI, to generate buy and sell signal. Let's see how we can do that. We start by opening MetaEditor, which you can do by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. First, we include the Trade.mqh library, which provides functions for trading operations. We then create an instance of the CTrade class named Trade, which will be used to execute buy and sell orders. Inside the OnTick function, we begin by initializing an empty string named signal to store our trading signal. We calculate the ask price using the SymbolInfoDouble function with the symbol ask parameter and normalize it to the number of digits specified by digits. Similarly, we calculate the bid price using the symbol bid parameter and normalize it. Next, we create an array named BWMFI array to store the BWMFI values. We set this array to be sorted from the current candle downwards using array set a series. We define the BWMFI indicator by calling the iBWMFI function with the current symbol, the current period, and volume tick as parameters. This function returns a handle to the BWMFI indicator. We then use the copy buffer function to copy the BWMFI values into our array. We specify the indicator handle, the buffer number 0, the starting position 0, the number of candles 3, and the array to store the values BWMFI array. We calculate the current BWMFI value by normalizing the first element of the array to 5 decimal places. Similarly, we calculate the last BWMFI value by normalizing the second element of the array to 5 decimal places. If the current BWMFI value is higher than the last BWMFI value, we set the signal to buy. If the current BWMFI value is lower than the last BWMFI value, we set the signal to sell. If the signal is sell and there are no open positions total times 1, we execute a sell order for 0.10 lots, 10 microlots, using the trade.sell function. We pass the lot size 0.10, a null value for the symbol, default to the current symbol, the bid price, a stop loss of 0, and a take profit set to 150 points below the bid price. If the signal is buy and there are no open positions, we execute a buy order for 0.10 lots using the trade buy function. We pass the lot size 0.0, a null value for the symbol, the ask price, a stop loss of 0, and a take profit set to 150 points above the ask price. Finally, we output the current signal to the chart using the comment function. To compile the code, press F7. If this was too fast for you or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation is successful, go back to MetaTrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. In MetaTrader, press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester. Pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. You should see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that uses the Bill Williams Market Facilitation Index to generate buy and sell signals with just a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, I hope you can see the expert advisor on your chart and the oscillator below. If this was too fast for you or if you have no idea what the code is doing, maybe the premium course on our website might be interesting for you. For now I say thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.